Hi guys! Nagbabalik na naman kami dito sa Arabella dahil mag-deliver na po kami kay Ma'am Janet. Thank you guys. Andito kami ngayon sa Arabella. Another furniture na naman ni Ma'am Janet dito sa kanyang condo. And halika guys, ipapakita ko muna sa inyo itong master's bedroom. Master's bedroom guys with storage, bench, may storage na siya. Ang laki ng storage niya guys. And with 2 drawer po siya, with 2 side table. Each side table may 2 drawer. And then, 6 feet na rin po yung height ng headboard niya. And then, pinabili ako ni Ma'am Janet ng 10 inches mandawi foam na sobrang lambot and quality sa kanyang master's bedroom. And guys, all body is crystal buttons, upholstery tacted na rin siya, pati itong bench. Crystal buttons, upholstery tacted na rin siya guys. And here guys, this is the outcome of queen size bed, 6 feet high headboard, upholstery of green German leather, crystal buttons siya guys, and all body is, lahat ng body niya guys is naka-upholstery ng crystal buttons. And pag sinira natin ito guys, bench style, pwede upuan, pwede higaan, lahat pwede. Here guys. Next naman natin guys, itong double sala and kitchen. Hi guys, this is double bed siya guys. 48 by 75. 6 feet din yung taas ng headboard nito guys. And also, Salem yung mattress nito guys na makapal din and quality protect premium daw ang mattress na binili ko na to. And then all body din siya guys is upholstery padded na crystal buttons, upholstery din ito guys na German leather na cream color po. And this is the bench naman guys. Ito naman po yung bench niya. Ito guys, ang lawak. Tingnan mo naman. Dahil ang laki ng storage na pwede lagyan. Look, diba? And then pag inupuan mo, pwede ka dito humiga-higa guys. Kasya ka dito. Here guys, ito po siya. This is the double size bed with Salem mattress and all body is upholstery of crystal buttons and 6 feet height. 6 feet yung height ng headboard niya guys. And next naman tayo sa kitchen and sa sala. Hindi pa talaga siya guys na fully ayos kasi okay na yung mga blinds niya, naikabit na yung mga blinds niya. And sobrang smooth ng pagkakagawa. And then, yung mga lightings, mga chandelier na lang ang A1 pa. And guys, this is the 6-seater dining table and chair. Duku varnish siya ng white paint na duku varnish siya. And space saver siya guys. And then 6-seater yung dining chair niya. Upholstery rin to guys ng cream German leather. Lahat ng furniture na pinagawa ni Ma'am Janet is all German leather. Mahilig si Ma'am sa leather kasi low maintenance. And then also, maganda rin yung pagkakalapat niya sa furniture. And this is guys, ang harap nito is upholstery crystal tufted. And outback niya rin guys, yung likod niya rin guys, look dito. Crystal upholstery padded na rin siya guys. And gold yung coating niya na duku varnish na gold paint. And ito guys, yung 6-seater dining table and chair ni Ma'am Janet. And let's go to the set sa kanyang living room. Maliit lang to guys kasi condo unit lang siya. Pero 2 bedroom yan nandito and maganda yung view sa labas. Nakita nyo naman. And this is the L-shaped tufted sofa set. Upholstery to guys na German leather also. And yung upuan niya guys is naka dimple design. And also sa lower part ng L-shaped sofa is may crystal buttons na rin. Sandalan niya is all upholstery tufted na crystal buttons and ang kanya ottoman guys is look storage din and pwede siyang upuan. Lahat dito guys sa condo na binili ni Ma'am is kada siguro sa dining lang siguro yung walang storage pero dito sa L-shaped sofa storage yung ottoman, dito sa double is storage yung bench. Dito rin sa master's bedroom is storage yung sidings na pwedeng waiting area. Yung bench niya is storage and with 2 drawers and dalawang side table. Each ng side table is may 2 drawers yung set namin guys. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog dito sa Orabella na one whole house. Deliver na naman namin kay Ma'am Janet and see you in my next vlog. Thank you!
memory naman. Guys, napatanong niyo na ba to? Ito ang Manila. At dito ang province na dun sa mga bundok. But guys, Manila. Wow, what's the Manila? It's been raining here last night.